much, Andrea. So another side of the game. At the end of the day, they're also sons.
Yes.
Of their moms and their brothers, like us.
At saka si Delph yung 101% for your kid. Kaya naman bukas nasa First Communion Ride.
Oh, Marky.
My goodness.
Magic bunot. Marky, no stranger to the bright lights of the MPBL. Ito si Marky extending the lead to 12. He's got 5 points here in the second half. Napoles trying to answer. Yeah. Got it.
That's the shot that I've been waiting for Jory Napoles to take. I've always believed on a catch and shoot, especially on paglipat ng bola sa weak side. You know, very potent itong si Jory Napoles.
They need a stop here, Pangasinan.
Indeed.
Serrano against Bulanadi. Encho. Bulanadi drops, and Encho is whistled for the offensive foul.
That was yung extent ng hindi makalabas to close out.
Gabo from the corner. No. And Hesed Gabo has yet to score in this ball game.
He's 0 out of 3 from the field.
Marwin Taiwan. The runner from Marwin, there's a foul. Whistled against Vic Manuel.
Doon pa lang nakita mo na iwan na talaga kaagad itong si Hesed Gabo doon sa defensive coverage niya against kay Marwin Taiwan. Kadalasan ang ginagawa nila pag yung naka-ball screen na, yung big man nasa baba na, yung guardia na lang bumabantay doon sa screening action. Kasi inaabangan nila yung drive papunta sa baba. Pero in that case, naiiwan itong si Hesed Gabo dahil naipit doon sa screen.
And doon sa linya si Marwin Taiwan gets the first free throw to drop. Now what I like about Marwin Taiwan's game this season has been his consistency. Whether he's coming off the bench, he is starting heavy minutes or not a lot of minutes because it's a loaded backcourt para dito sa Abra. You know, in fact, Joshua David has not played in this ball game, and then naging mas loaded pa nung dumating ito si Jason Brickman.
Yes.
Oh, Bongga Lanza for 2 plus the foul.
Para makatapos ang napakaraming beses na nakita nating nakascore siya of that move.
Did not complete the 3-point play. Lead of Abra is at 9 points.
Nakita mo yung composure ng Marwin Taiwan, ano? He commands that, leadership on the floor for the Weavers.
Ildefonso, Marky, the shot fake, he stops. A wild shot from Marky, stopped by Pangasinan. Mabulak, offensive foul.
Oh. Mike got there first pero hindi niya binigyan ng space para makita siya ni Marwin.
Kaya nga.
Kailangan at least one step. Coach Christian nagko-cover nun Crucial yung 3 points niya sa right wing 3. I said to myself, man, he's already arrived. Ito si Marwin Taiwan as the lead point guard of the Weavers.
Okay. That's air ball. Sa net tumama.
Nag-celebrate yung mga tao pero kapos pala. Pero sa 100 points natin parang diretso kasi, no?
54-45, Hesed Gabo at the controls for Pangasinan.
Down 9, may pagkakataon pa. Oh, that's offensive.
His strengths, which is getting into the paint, whether, he gets fouled, just being forceful right now, just being aggressive. Ito si Dave Ildefonso.
Tsaka yung effort niya sa depensa. Kung titingnan mo yung rebounds niya, 11 defensive rebounds. Lahat yun galing kay Dave Ildefonso. And so if he's not scoring, he's helping out on the defensive end.
You have to mention that, the defensive rebounds, because he completes the defensive stand.
Correct.
Of his team. Napoles for 3. Got it!
I told you. Catch and shoot, ball swing, weak side, Jory Napoles.
6 na puntos na lang ang lamang dito ng Abra from as high as 12. Under 6 minutes to play. Taiwan with a getaway. Finds Oduba underneath. Mulanadi. Short rebound ni Alin. It's back with Alin. Nakawala si Alin. Hang time. No.
Boy, they had Jory the other end. Weak side. Same spot. Didn't kick it out.
Here's Taiwan. Marwin attacks. Naiwan ng bantay. It's Marwin Taiwan with another outstanding game. 7 points. Gabo to Napoles. Another 3. Yes! Jory Napoles is keeping the Heat Waves in game 2. Nandito, kumakatok pa rin itong Pangasinan.
Basta nahahanap mo si Jory Napoles on that weak side, may pagkakataon ka.
Gonzalez underneath, and Raymond Gonzalez with 11 points and 3 rebounds. It's back up to 9. The lead for Abra. Merong foul sa ilalim. And no more challenge for Coach Yong. That's the technical, and Mike De Gregorio will shoot 2 more. Down to 7 ang lamang dito ng Abra.
Kumakatok pa rin.
Oo.
May pagkakataon pa to. Kailangan magandang depensa. At again, makabasket sila sa side nila. Ito talagang maaga pa lang. Kino-cover na nila si Taiwan sa kabila.
Ayon. Dave Ildefonso will attack. That's a fadeaway from Dave. A tough shot. Agawan sa rebound. Ends up with Ian Melencio. Vic Manuel. Napoles has it. Melencio. Manuel. Galanza. 3. No. Melencio with a rebound.
Grabe yung rebound ni Melencio.
De Gregorio with a recovery. Ball taken away by Ayon. Grabe din yung agaw na yun ni Marwin Taiwan.
Oo. Quickly, nakita mo si Coach Gerson. Kalimutan nyo na, baba na kayo. Dumepensa na lang kayo.
Hindi si Marwin natatakot. Pag sumundot dun na alanganin. Ayon puts it in. And Abra responding with every Pangasinan uprising. 62-53. Mike Ayon giving Abra a 9-point lead. 3 minutes and 13 remaining. Time out muna tayo.
Hindi mabigat dun yung graphic na magkatabi.
Gabi yun, ha?
Oo.
Matindi yun, ha? Sino gumawa nun?
Tingin ko si Maki.
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Kilala ko yung gumawa nun. De Gregorio with a big 3.
They're still in it.
6-point game.
2-possession game.
Mike Ayon. Binabatay ni Bong Galanza. Ayon, Oduba, Batino, Ildefonso, and Taiwan. The 5 on the floor for Abra. Ayon. Nandun pa rin si Napoles. Swings it over to Dave Ildefonso. Drop pass. Oduba is there. What a play galing kay Dave Ildefonso. Finding John Oduba wide open underneath.
Si John Oduba ay nasa pinakatulo ng opensa. So nakikita niya lahat. And napakaganda ng find na yon ni Dave Ildefonso.
Vic Manuel will launch the 3 and will miss. This time good box out galing kay Marwin Taiwan on Ian Melencio.
Kailangan makakuha ng stop ng heat waves dito.
The final 2 minutes of game 2. Top seed Abra wants a 2-0 lead in this series. Batino, atake. Shot, no. Ildefonso misses as well. De Gregorio behind the back. The spin. Mike DG misses. And Napoles will send Oduba to the free throw line.
Well, Mike, I had the right thing in mind. Atake kaagad yung depensa habang di pa naka-set up. Pero ang ganda rin ng baba ng mga paint defenders nitong Weavers. Hindi naging madali yung drive na yun para kay Mike.
It's been a work in progress here for Abra, but look, every game they look more and more like a finished product. Kasi if you think about game 1, Jason Brickman with that big second quarter, now different players again coming to the fore to help them close this one out.
At saka iba-ibang parts portion ng game, no? You had kanina Raven Gonzalez was really very good.
Had a 9-point, good 9-point half.
That's right. Marquis was also pretty good. There's certain portions here in the third and the fourth.
And Mike Ionai in the first half.
Yep. And then Marwin came in.
Yeah, David Ildefonso, a little bit of everything as well. Alfred Batino with some good plays. Oduba, 6 points. He stays at 6 points. Batino with the offensive rebound. Labas kay Marwin Taiwan, an extra possession for Abra. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Taiwan against Imilencio. Marwin, layup, masyado malakas. Bulanadi goes to Di Gregorio. Atake si Mike DG. The basket plus the foul. Pangasinan still in it. Minute and 11 remaining. A chance to trim it to just 5. This is the fast break of the game, brought to you by Extreme Cool Air Conditioners. Ang Extreme Magpalamig. Free installation for split-type air conditioners.
And that's exactly the same thing that Mike had in mind earlier. This time, na-beat niya yung depensa. Naka-elevate na siya bago dumating pa yung shot blocking attempt on that drive. And he goes to the strike for a bonus.
$11 points and 8 rebounds para kay Mike De Gregorio. Pressure here from Pangasinan. The steal. Oh! Ooh. Unable to complete the steal there. And Oduba will slow things down. Ildefonso.
This will be big.
8 seconds in the shot clock for Abra. Dave finds Batino, the shot fake and the foul. Alfred Batino will have to earn the 2 points from.
Batino has gone to the line and attempted twice, and he's made both. So this will be his second trip.
Oh, missed it. Door slightly open for Pangasinan.
At sanay na sanay ang Pangasinan sa mga ganitong sitwasyon, no? Dikit. May pagkakataon.
And 2 possession advantage here for Abra. Make that a 6-point game. Milencio. We need a bucket. The heat waves. De Gregorio drifts to the corner. Blocked by Ion.
Ganda ng pagkaka-anticipate nung play na yon. It was either yung pagpunta sa corner ni Mike De Gregorio o yung pagpunta rin sa ibabaw na tres ni Joe Ray Napoles. Yun ang options ni Ian Milencio that time.
And they will review this, that out of bounds. 65 to 59. It will stay with Pangasinan. Ito yung fascinating dito kung ano gagawin ni Cole Gerson off this inbound.
Yeah.
Brickman returns to the game.
Huwag natin kalilimutan doon sa Nueva Ecija game, crucial yung isang krinokis na play ni Coach Gerson off an inbound.
Would you be okay with a quick 2 here, Coach Mike?
I'm fine with a quick 2.
Galanza, Taiwan knocks the ball away.
This one they're gonna review again.
Napoles and Oduba getting in the way of each other. There's another review here. It will stay with Pangasinan. Assistant Coach Harold Nang getting in the way of Dave Ildefonso. And they calls a timeout. 40 seconds remaining in game 2. Abra is up by 6. And we will be right back.
Oh, yes.
Nanood ng game 1 dito. Ingat po, Boss Robert. De Gregorio, that is short.
Boy, that was a good look.
But he was not comfortable taking that shot, Coach Mike.
Yun yung mid-range, no? Somehow yung calibration mo, iba.
No, you sometimes would want that off the dribble.
That's right.
Taiwan with 5 seconds in the shot clock. Brickman, Ayon for 3. Ball is loose, picked up by Taiwan. Oduba. Ayon slips. Brickman has it. Taiwan trying to secure the game here at home. Oh, JB Pernos up on his feet.
And so are the other Abra fans.
Gusto ko yung Gusto ko yung yung whiteboard. Interchangeable yung yung statement mo.
Oo, napapalitan.
Napapalitan, di ba?
Kung medyo tegi-tegi ka, tablet pa yan pero madalian. Whiteboard na lang.
Whiteboard. At least hindi kartolina, di ba? Dami mo kartolina, di ba?
Huwag naman kartolina. Baka mag-Manila paper pa tayo niya.
Uy, November 27, markahan nyo daw, 3-0. Naku. North Division champion yun kung 3-0.
Oo.
Pero may isa pa, may game 3 pa to. And the Abra Solid North Weavers move on the cusp of capturing the North Division title. They are 1 game away from entering the national finals. Sweeping this homestand 2-0 against the Pangasinan Heatwaves. We still have one more.